This is David Luking with GrassFlap. Wanted to show you the installation of a GrassFlap on a Gravely. This is a Gravely ProTurn 560. It's got the X Factor 3 deck on it. So let's walk through here very quickly and show you what we've got. So this particular GrassFlap unit installs with a no drill mount, so it bolts to the deck using existing holes. The GrassFlap itself then bolts to that no drill mount. And in this particular case, this is an all steel blocker plate on here. The deflector angle, the spring then that holds the flap closed as well as holds it open, with a cable that operates the pedal. So this cable is installed, connected here on this end with a little 1/4 inch bushing in here, a 3/16 pin. Then we've got a cotter pin itself that installs here. You split the cotter pin and form a little W with it when you open it up. Then cable routing is very simple. It runs underneath here, lays on this tension spring up underneath there. From there it runs on over. Let me show you up underneath here. So there's what cable routing looks like. Real simple, stays away from the belts very nicely. From there it runs up here between these plate here. So they've got isolators isolating this top section, so it fits right in there very nicely. The pedal itself bolts on using a strap so that you can clamp the pedal right to this opening and secures it very nicely. In this case, this is a 5D style pedal, bolts on here, cable comes up and connects up underneath here, and then operationally, very straightforward. We're going to do a little push and release motion to open it. Same push and release motion closes it, so it'll stay fully open without your foot on the pedal, fully closed without your foot on the pedal, and then I can partial open it anywhere that I want to. For operating standpoints, a lot of times it's easier just to do a partial open. And then one thing I forgot to show you over here on the mount. So on this particular mount, we've set this up so that a drop-on bagger will fit right onto it. One of those baggers that has a pin in the front, and then about 7 inches back, it's got a hook that hooks on there. So that lets you be able to hang that bagger on there without having to do any extra bracketry. So there you go, GrassFlap installed here on this Gravely ProTurn 560.